Okay, so we're going to prepare this cage for some of our more viney plants. There's a lot of space between our support structure right now, so we're going to use some fishing line to make more supports for it to use. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this fishing line in such a way that it makes a zigzag pattern up and down. So I'm going to start with fastening it to one of these anchors here. So I'm going to go up and over so that it's really secured at this particular point so that it doesn't slide around upwards or sideways. And now that I've done that, I'm going to go up and down in a zigzag pattern so that we get a bit of a cross hatching all the way along here. And you can make it as wide or as tight as you like. I'm gonna make it a little bit wider because I find that with the peas, the smaller ones are nice at the beginning, but then it's harder to get to the different vines afterwards. So I'm gonna go for a bit of a wider spacing here. So now I've done the bottom half, and now I'm going to do the top half as well. Okay, so now that we've configured our cage into a nice little lattice with these fishing lines on top and bottom and top, we're going to put it onto our plant. So first we're going to feed the plant through so we can place it on top of the planter. Just has to be on the inside, don't worry about the configuration. And then we're going to take these clampy plastic things and we're going to screw this into the top of the planter. We're going to do it at a few different support points. So I'll do the first one here. Just need a screwdriver. These are really just to hold the cage down on various sides. So now I'm going to do it in another location. I'm going to do 3 of them at sort of equal intervals, more or less, so that it's holding down on all sides. So now that we have secured the cage, we're just gonna help the peas along a little bit to give them a direction to go in. So I'm just gonna kind of attach it to a few places. As you can see, it was already starting to attach to itself, so this is a good time to do this. And I'm just gonna wrap it around a few places just to give it a starting point.